Good morning. Good morning. How's everybody doing this morning? YouTube, Instagram, Twitter. What's up? What's up, man? How's everybody feeling today? It's the 18th of November. Uh, Looking to just scale into probably one position today, win or lose. We don't want to do anything crazy. Today is Friday. Unless a play really looks like I'm confident in it, I might enter a second play. But if we win one, I'm just gonna call it a day. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, checking just to double check to make sure we ain't got no news. He has some nothing major this morning. Yeah, so ladies and gentlemen, if the candles were to close like this as they are, it is tough for me to decide whether I would go with GJ or gold. Honestly, it's a tough decision. I'm probably gonna go ahead. You see, the thing is, we've still respected the lows on both candles so far. Like, this candle did close bearish, but we didn't break the lows of this bullish candle, so it's like technically still got bullish momentum. So, same thing over here. This candle tried to push down, but it did not end up breaking the low of this buy candle. So we still have a pretty strong bias on buys on both pairs. Like both pairs got like a similar situation going on. I think I might run with GJ though, just because it's got a cleaner range up to the top. We'll see what. Uh, I will measure it on the actual. Good old trading view. Got about 25 pips up to the top there. Just to retest. That'd be pretty fucking nice. I don't want to. Buddy idea. That's it. Ooh, I don't know, but that hourly looked pretty solid. That hourly definitely looking good. Oh, fuck, ladies and gentlemen. Ooh. That hourly close too looked pretty good too. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. Hold on. I gotta blow my nose, man. Damn. Whoa. Oh my goodness. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So we just waiting at this point. We're waiting for the 30-minute candle to close. So far, if the candle closes about like this, I am most likely gonna go ahead and enter in on GJ or pound yen buys. Sorry about that, guys. Now, I will say if this bullish candle on pound yen actually reaches up to that resistance level, then we are going to disregard the buys at that point. Still got a while left on these candles though. I'll be right back though, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna use the restroom real quick. All right. So this the next 15 minutes that came in for this 30-minute candle, obviously it's still pushing bullish for us, but I'm curious to know if it's gonna start kind of rejecting now, start making a wick for us. Yeah, it's gonna be really interesting to see how these candles close. To be honest, gold's in a situation where it's honestly closing above a resistance, and we might be able to clear the range up to 1765.50. Uh, do I really want to enter that position? I don't think so, ladies and gentlemen. I think I'm gonna just kind of hold. What I am looking to enter though definitely is pound yen. Definitely looking about right. We're just gonna see though. We still got fucking like 11 minutes left in the candle, so got plenty of moves left in the candle to still make some moves. So really gonna be curious to see how this plays out. Now that gold's starting to close back under that resistance, I wonder if the pound yen's gonna start doing the same thing and start kind of rejecting a little bit. It is slightly, but not by much. Also, if there's no wick at the top, being a Friday, I'm not gonna answer. We all know that if there's no wick at the top of on our 30-minute candles, hourly candles, generally there's not much more range to push up to the top side. So in a situation like that, we just gonna stay away from that. Um, we do got a slight liquidity wick at the bottom of this candle, which I do like. We do got a relative top candle, which is not an issue. Relatively, relatively strong bullish candle. It's gonna feel really good though once we start getting closer to closing time. I'm just if I didn't get for copyright shit, that I would play that song every time like it was like a Twitch shit. Like all the Twitch streamers, they get a new follower and they have like that weird little noise. If I had a chance to do that, mine would be closing time. Closing time. Soon as the candles about to close, I'd have that song play. Da, 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 da. Closing time. All right, so gold pumping pretty strong here. Pound yen starting to reject a little bit more, which ain't bad. Don't want to go super weak though. Oh my goodness, we got a special guest. A special guest. A special guest from the depths. There she is. Here she is, the special guest from the depths. It's Lola. What's up, girl? Go ahead, girl. The special guest. All right, so definitely, obviously 10 pips profit. We're just gonna go ahead and close 90% and let the rest run. But obviously, I moved my take profit up here just in case we get that super strong push. Obviously, it's like I'm not like 100% expecting price is gonna close, boom, we're gonna hit take profit. No, I just got it here just in case we end up doing that, right? Now, what I don't want to see is this candle close bearish at all. It goes bearish at any bit. Hell no, we're not entering. We do got a pretty high spread too. We got like 2 pips right now. Yeah, like 2 pips on GJ. It's like pip and a half, 2 pips. More on 2 pips, honestly. Excuse me, guys. But if you guys can't see, that's the GJ spread right here. So you guys looking at the little mouse right here, shoop, right here. That's where our spread's at for pound yen. This is our spread for Go. Getting clapped. Watch this whole time. This play's been looking like decent. The fucking last minute of this candle, this motherfucker closes bearish. I'd be so sick. Got 2 minutes. Haven't entered yet. I'm just getting this little position set up just for a little bit better visualization for the followers on the gram. A little bit better for the YouTube people in the chat. Another thing I'd be sick to see is this last bit of this candle just push all the way up. We're like, what? Trying to get that push up on this next candle. So gotta keep an eye at the stop loss for real, because if I have like a 20 pip stop loss, I can let myself go about 10, 11 pips drawdown before I 50%. If I'm like 10 pips fucking a 10 pip stop loss, man, I'm 50% around 6, 7 pips, and that's even kind of late. That's eating a good amount of that real position. So, uh, you know, just got to have to wait and see how this candle closes. Got getting antsy now. Getting to that point, ladies and gentlemen. Got 45 seconds left till the candle closes. So, like I said, we go 11 pips drawdown. I'll go ahead 50%. Got my finger on the 50% button as we speak. At this point, I'm not tripping too much because I'm expecting we should be making a liquidity wick, at least a slight liquidity wick. And then we should start getting a push to the top side. So that's kind of what I'm anticipating at this point. So the drawdown we're dealing with right now, I'm not too worried about. The second we start breaking up towards profits and, maybe start going into profits, I'd like to continue that push to the top side. But right now, if we are a little bit drawdown, I don't mind it making a wick. It's definitely expected to make a liquidity wick. I heard about 5 pips now. I say since I was gonna take profit at 10 pips, we're gonna 50% at pretty much around like 9, 10 pips. That's when we're gonna 50%. Love to start seeing it break to the top side at this point. At this point, I'd rather stop making so much of a liquidity wick. I'd rather see the start to print that bullish candle and start going ahead and making our range wick. That's how I prefer to see, right? At this point, but we're gonna have to see how this plays out. Got to be ready for anything though. Got to be ready for anything. Can we start seeing a push to the top side now? Can we start seeing it? If I'm feeling it, boys and girls, we might start pushing to the top now. Uh-oh. Here we go. Can we get a start? Can we get that break past that candle? Can we get a break past that wick, man? Come on. Let's see if we can get that break past that wick. starting to go profits now. Come on. There we go. We made a little range. We made our little liquidity wick. Come on now. We're ready to push up. We're ready just to retest those highs at least. At least, you know. Seems like we're kind of struggling. Like we don't want to push up too much. Obviously, it doesn't seem like. Come on now, we still got that. We're still in a good momentum period. You know, it's not obviously New York session open, but we're definitely in the heart of New York session. So we got some volume in this market. So we'll see. Hopefully, we can start making our push up. Unfortunately, we're starting to go back into drawdown, which is not what I'm liking to see at this point. Uh, we started relatively going into profits. Not that it was any deep profits or anything like that, so nothing to really trip about that much. Come on, Pound. You start pushing up for us. Here we go. Feeling it? Feeling it, feeling it. About to put our rally caps on. There's 5, so we got a member here. So maybe about 9 pips drawdown. We'll go ahead 50%. Come on, baby. I liked what I saw there, baby. That looked real good. That looked real good. We could keep doing that. Reject, baby. I want to see that. Push up. Yeah. Oh no. All right. So, like I said, still just gonna manage. We're just chilling here. Relatively more drawdown than what we were in the past. Could be still making a deeper liquidity week at this point. We do go 9 pips drawdown, though. I am gonna go ahead and close 50% of the position because I'm gonna try and manage risk, try and lose less at that point. At that point, if we go about 9 pips drawdown, I'm gonna be, I guess, more prone to looking to just lose less. I guess you could say. Right, baby. Can we start maintaining the bullish candle though? That's the big question. You know, I really like to see it start maintaining that bullish candle. Been playing around bearish majority of this time so far. I know it's only been 11 minutes, but it seems like a long time. Seems like a long time, I will say, and I'm really looking forward to this candle start pushing bullish at this point. I feel like we made a fairly deep liquidity grab. Obviously not that, but it's like not a huge liquidity grab by any means, but we have definitely made a slight wick at the bottom, and I definitely like it to continue up. Got good confidence within this play because the previous 30-minute candle that closed bearish did not break the lows of that candle. So for me personally, I bought into this support because I still feel that, you know, buys are still strong. If that bearish candle would have broken the lows of that bearish candle or the bullish candle, probably wouldn't have answered. Honestly, I would have stayed away from the position only because uh, we've kind of broken that kind of trend to the upside at that point. Whoa. Come on, Avast. You're trying to get me clapped. I can't do that in the middle of my trades. Gonna have to cancel that subscription and do that shit again. Not when I'm trading. Uh-oh. So we're going 6 pips now drawdown. It's a little deeper than what we have been relatively. Personally, we've yet to even get the slightest push up. I mean, we've barely been even like 4 pips fucking profit at this point. We've been, what, maybe a pip and a half? So the position so far has been pretty shitty. If I was being honest. You know, being honest, at this point, we have been dealing mostly drawdown at this point ever since we entered this buy. Uh, Still got confidence within the play, but it's definitely been rocky at this point. Really like to start seeing this candle push to the top at this point. I mean, we've been goofing around here for a little bit. If Pound Yen decides it might get tired of me and just start pushing bearish and take me out the fucking position, you feel me? But hey, I think still holding pretty good so far. Come on, Price. You have a very high chance to get at least those highs up there. That's all I'm looking really. I'm really looking to take profit as soon as we hit 166 940. Damn, honestly, really 10 pips. But uh, I'm really just looking forward to this play to start to push to the top side. But wow, it's been very difficult for this play to push anywhere in bullish position. I mean, it has just been straight a bearish candle pretty much this whole time. Oh my goodness, I be seeing it like freak out. Look like it wants to go to the top side. It's like, come on. You see that candle? Whoop! Just reject really quick. Just give us what we want, baby. That's all we want. You know, come on now. Can't be too hard. We've been in drawdown for so long. Every time we hit like two negative, negative two, -1 pips, I start getting excited like we're about to go into fucking profits. But every time we start pushing back down to like 5 pips drawdown, it's like sick. So 50% of the position at this point, looks like we're starting to head right to stop. So I'm just gonna go ahead and close full. Yeah, it is what it is. I can't complain. Unfortunately, we couldn't catch a fucking profitable position, which, in my opinion, is pretty fucking frustrating. Caught a dub trade yesterday. Really trying to, just one trade a day, one dub a day, make it possible, right? Fuck no, we couldn't make it possible today. So, being Friday, I'm not gonna waste any more fucking type of risk, anything like that at this point. We're just gonna go ahead and just call it a fucking day. Thank you guys so much for tapping into my stream this morning. Um, Apologize to anybody that couldn't catch a profitable position this morning. It is what it is. Um, I guess I'm just happy to, keep good risk management, close position relatively early. Just let it be at this point. Can't we have like fucking 7 minutes left in the candle? If we were gonna close bearish anyways, I was gonna probably 50% even close full at that point anyways, because it's just like, doesn't at that point. I feel like the play doesn't really matter. We still haven't violated the lows, obviously, so we could just, keep pushing to the top side. But at this point, I'd rather be safe than sorry. I wasn't looking to just hold um, at all. The play was already not even giving us any type of positive feedback. Man, we were like maybe up only 2 pips at the time. So, not a big deal, honestly. So, guys, I'll see you guys back on Monday. Love to see you guys tune into my stream again. Hope everybody has a great weekend. And man, y'all just take it easy, all right? I'll see you guys on Monday.